What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. We are almost at 7,600 subscribers. So you guys have been amazing. So make sure you hit that notification bell because I'm pumping videos out like crazy. I'm not going to post one Sunday. I'm going to be doing the lectures, so I'll be busy with that. But I wanted to post this one for Saturday for you guys. And this is a very interesting covered call ETN. This has a lot of popularity right now. And check out my previous video on a new covered call ETF by Global X. So at the end of this video, you'll see it pop up. And again, you got to hit that notification bell. So let's check this ETN out right now. So USOI, Credit Sue X, hopefully I said that right, links crude oil shares covered call ETN expires the 24th of April 2037. So EXP the 24th. So figure you guys are new to these ETNs, look up what happens on the 24th of April 2037. So that's one thing that you need to look into when it expires. So it's sitting at $5.58, and oil is kind of like the black gold right now. So this does covered calls. So we need to look a little bit more into these guys. Already, again, this has dropped significantly. Let's see, this was 2019. It was going down each year. Now it appears to be a steal. I mean, it's like in the cheap range. I own this one on M1 Finance, and I made a decision to get rid of it. I'll explain to you why. I'm going to do a review. This is a high yield covered call ETN. So let's check these guys out. Covered call ETN, they're senior unsecured debt securities issued by these guys. And basically, it follows the NASDAQ WTI crude oil flows 106 index. ETNs pay a variable monthly coupon based on its notional option premiums, if any, generated by the index's hypothetical monthly sale of call options on the shares of the United States Oil Fund. The ETNs are listed on the NASDAQ stock market under the ticker symbol USOI. ETN should be purchased only by knowledgeable investors who understand the risk of investing in ETNs. So we need to really look into this. So here's the profile. Here's the annual investor fee right here, 0.85%. So you see what it does, okay? Now, its performance is, in the past 3 years, terrible. Now, the NASDAQ crude oil flows is bad. Since the ETN inception, it was negative 77.80%. Inception date was in 2017. So you're seeing a decrease. So its performance, 3 years, 1 year, 13.27 years to date, 6.73, 3 months, 18.09, and 1 month, 3.54%. So it's already going down against the crude oil flows index. So that's one thing that is interesting. And you also, this is very important. So again, when it expires, what happens? That's one thing. But the dividend is what it makes it very interesting. ETNs, I mean, exchange traded notes, are different than ETFs. ETNs, again, these things are cheap. Current yield is 25.88%. But again, this is a covered call ETN, and oil is going crazy right now. So again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But there are some strategies that you can do with USOI. And the thing is, with M1 Finance, with fractional shares, there's some things that are attractive with USOI, as well as SLVO and REML and GLDI. But the thing with USOI, which is unique, is their dividends right now. Again, this is a high yield at 36.84%. This one is blowing up like crazy. Now look at this. Let's just say since 2017, 15 cents, 42 cents, 29. You're getting a scatter bomb effect. 5 cents, 6 cents, 16 cents, 4 cents. Goes up to 19, 24, 29, 115, 45, 46, 10 cents, 3 cents, 12 cents, 6. So you're seeing kind of a scatter bomb effect. That's what turned me off to these guys. And I thought what I could do is have USOI, SLVO, REML buy a lot of my quarterly dividend stocks because these dividends are kicking in and it's doing really well with the yield. And again, I just did not like the consistency. Now, if you understand what a covered call ETN does and the expiration and everything, what happens when it expires? Pretty much like poof. So the thing is, I like stability. Now, if you look at QYLD, RYLD, and xyld, you at least get something, and you have a little bit of consistency compared to what you see with USOI. And I'll jump to QYLD and RYLD as an example. So at worst, I mean, you're seeing in 2017 with QYLD 13 cents. Never going to, well, 12 cents at worst. So you're kind of getting a scatter bomb effect, but it's not as volatile as USOI because now you're in the consistent 22 cents to 49 cents. You're kind of lucky, but you're right around 20 cents. You're getting a little bit of consistency. It is a 12.09% dividend yield, but you are getting at least some consistency. You have a range that I don't think it'll be 13 cents again, but just have that range. It's better than a bond because bonds are like 5 cents, stays at 5 cents. It doesn't really increase. It's just decent for an income. But this one, at least, you're within, I would just say 17 to 23 cents within that range. And it's an income. It's all about income. And I'll jump to RYLD as well. So RYLD, it's right here at like 13 cents at worst. And you get 17, 24, 25. So let's just say 17 cents to 24 cents you're going to get at best with RYLD. And it's a Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is a little bit more consistent than the oil. The oil is a little volatile. And, the thing with these guys are there's at least some anticipation of what you're going to get. Now, with USOI, it's like amazing, and then it's like, damn, this sucks. And then it's like it's a roller coaster. It's you just kind of don't know. There's highs, there's lows. I at least like some form of consistency, and that's why I have QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. And that's kind of the way I see it. I didn't like USOI. I think it's kind of a yield trap. Covered call ETNs, exchange traded notes, they're not very popular for me. Some people love them. I don't. I really don't. And the expiration date, um, the volatility, I kind of prefer these ones. I mean, it is volatile. I mean, it's not gonna grow. It's not a dividend growth. RYLG or QYLG are different, or more growth ETFs. So let me know what you think of this video. I tried to explain what I don't like about it and why I sold it. If any of you guys own this covered call ETN, let me know if you like it. But it's just not my cup of tea. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. And I'm going to post a video Monday. I'm not going to do one on Sunday. You guys have been amazing.